Hello everyone, in this video Khwan and I are sharing with you our amazing unexpected adventure in Nahkon Si Thammarat, South Thailand. We met some wonderful local people, had some delicious food, and some of the best coffee that I've had in Thailand. Make sure you like and subscribe and don't miss out on any of our culinary adventures. Okay guys, this is very special. So we just had breakfast. It was a wonderful breakfast, and we sat and talked with the owner. She showed us around the garden, showed us the beautiful murals that her and her husband kind of dreamt up from their fantasies, and then that even her husband had painted with the help of beautiful love. Such a wonderful story. And she offered to take us up to the mountain to have some coffee and see the beautiful view. So right now we're just getting ready. We're about to head up to the mountain. She's gonna take us, and we'll see what happens. It's gonna be good.
แล้วเราก็มาถึงที่นี่ที่น้อยมาวิสาหกิจชุมชนกลุ่มผู้เลี้ยงแพะซีชนกาวนาคนนี้พี่น้อยค่ะเป็นประธานชุมชนค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
Our first stop was the goat farm, where we met with P Ann's sister before heading further up the mountain. But of course,
I'm gonna feed the goats.
We had to feed the goats and check out the farm.
อร่อยไหมอร่อยไหม
กินกล้วยสดๆเลยเรามองคนจักมันจะเป็นช็อกมา
That's good. Top. I don't want them to think I'm food.
my mom feels food
What is it?
มาก
Oh, ที่นี่อันนี้มา
There was food everywhere we looked, and we even got to try some durian.
My durian ขอบคุณค่ะ If you go to the mountain see the nice views and prepare for tonight we will have Moo Kata.
So we changed vehicles and headed up the mountain, where we would enjoy homegrown coffee and a special meal prepared from their farm. Off-road.
Here we are.
Good morning. Mulberry.
Mulberry.
Marijuana.
Oh, จริงเหรอ
You want to taste the rain from garden?
Taste or
Yeah, taste.
Sure. Raining on and off every day, but kind of makes it nice.
Now we make a coffee
Ah,
from the tree.
the fresh.
Yeah, fresh coffee direct.
Uncle's making fresh coffee
Yeah.
right now. It looks amazing.
Oh, so yummy, very yummy.
Very delicious. One of my favorite things in life. Good coffee.
Yummy. Oh. หอมมาก
หมดเลย
บ้านเราจริง
Cannabis leaf tea.
หอมมาก and taste sweet.
Coffee flower tea.
Yes, please, sir. Yeah. Now, your responsibility.
Okay.
Catch fish,
Okay, one.
catch frog,
Frog.
pick the fresh egg
from the farm.
yeah from the farm and make papaya salad ส้มตำ
Make some time. So I have 4 jobs to do.
yes
Okay. Uncle's got the net ready. So I gotta go do my job and take some fish. The rain is here, heavy rain. Okay. This is the fish. Black.
ไป
This is the frog net here.
be careful huh?
This is the dinner. Okay.
okay good
Uncle's kind of doing everything for me, so
oh many frog ไหม
okay. We got the frogs. Feel kind of bad, but
okay now we go take a fresh egg chicken oh very warm egg fresh she's scary frog okay
thank you for the fresh food, my friends. Very spicy Thai chilies here.
yeah
What?
มะอึก
Mặn.
อย่าแกงส้มกะร้อยทำน้ำจุบกะร้อยค่ะควันซี่ชอบมาก
So now that we had all of our ingredients together, it was time for me to cook lunch and give Khwan a much needed break.
So we just put the ice. Now I'm going to peel the papaya. And here's the fresh frog.
Now Pinoy make fresh papaya
Stir fried.
stir fry with egg and Jack make frog with garlic and cumin.
Smells so good.
Have with garlic, black pepper and salt. Our little friend waiting.
Okay.
Don't be afraid, Jack. Smash harder.
Okay. Okay, they're showing me how to do I do everything wrong here.
And now they come with the coconut drinking. Wow.
Oh,
From the garden.
fresh coconut.
Fresh coconut.
Okay, so I don't need to use the my tongue chai chon.
Yeah.
Đi qua.
Coconut. Yeah, we found it. Cashew leaf. That is road apple. And the big one, I don't know in English, but they call Sichon.
Looks delicious. Okay, now the fried papaya. Oyster sauce. Stir-fried papaya, green papaya with egg. Now I get the pleasure of
Be careful.
frying the frog.
Be
So,
careful. Okay, okay.
Put one in.
Ah.
Never fried frogs before, so I hope it's delicious.
Yeah. How is the feeling when you catch them?
I feel เสียใจนิดหน่อย The fried frog with spices. 3.
Yes.
Cheers.
กบถือไม้ไม่ได้
Okay, fresh banana leaf.
ไม่ต้องไม่ได้ไว้
This smells amazing.
The mushroom from the plantation tree.
The rubber tree.
เอาไม้จิ้มฟันมา2 อันอยู่ตรงนั้นมาจิ้มฟันอยู่บนโต๊ะทำให้ยาวๆนี่มันใส่เกลือแกงไหมนะใช่ไอ้หวานไม่ร้อยตัวแกงเที่ยวไอ้เด็ดย่าง
Yang. Grill.
อะตุ๊บ
This is the cashew nut.
เดี๋ยวพาไปให้ตาชุดช่องตัวสวัสดีค่ะพี่บ่าวมาแต่ปลาไหน
Pwede ka? Ma?
ข้าวยัง
Yang may gin?
ยังไม่ไปกินข้าวค่ะ
Pag gin? Hiu may?
เหนื่อยเลยเหรอคะ
Anyway. Trying the frog. Those are really good.
fried frog with garlic and
Cumin.
pepper
And this is the finished grilled mushroom and banana leaf.
น้องเคยกินในแกงที
Spicy but delicious. Look. Ah, okay. Nam shuk. Look. 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 Okay. So we enjoyed our amazing meal and great conversation. And before we were even done eating, we were making plans for dinner that night. We're gonna go to the market, pick up some fresh food, vegetables, seafood, everything, and we're gonna make Moo Kata. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the second part of this video where we head into the market and buy a ton of seafood to bring back to the mountain for Moo Kata, Thai barbecue, and a little bit of partying. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and like and subscribe for more videos. Till the next one, thanks out. Oh, I didn't know you speak goat. This is the hotel manager here at Ekman Resorts, Garden View, and she will take care of all of your needs, mostly just in the cuteness department. Tamaray, look. Tamaray, look. Oh, by me? By now?